Most Jamaicans living abroad are by no means rich, but in 2020, Jamaicans abroad managed to remit to Jamaica 2.9 billion US dollars worth of money. That is 21% of Jamaica's GDP. That comparing to tourism, which remitted 3.1 billion US dollars of foreign exchange to Jamaica in the same year, 2020. 22% of Jamaica's GDP. Now, stop and think for a minute what I just said to you. Jamaicans abroad who are not rich remitted money remittance to Jamaica in 2020, sent back 2.9 billion US dollars worth of money. That is a lot of money. And just in case you're not aware of how much money that really is, think about the amount of hotels in Negril, in Hannibal, in Montego Bay, in Trelawney, in St. Anne, Discover Bay, Runaway Bay, St. Anne's Bay, Ocho Rios Priory, in all of St. Mary and Portland. Think about the amount of hotels in Jamaica overall. And the amount of foreign exchange they brought in was 3.1 billion, while individuals living abroad who are not rich sent back 2.9 billion US dollars. That's just a couple of digits away from the amount that tourism sent back. That's a lot of money. That means in some months, especially the off tourist season months, Jamaicans abroad are keeping the economy of Jamaica afloat. Don't you think it's time that the Jamaican government gives some incentives and some privileges to Jamaicans living abroad? How should they do that? I don't know. Maybe we shouldn't pay so much to renew our passports abroad, or birth certificates, or death certificates, or marriage certificates, or all the different things we need. Maybe we shouldn't be paying so much at Dunsville Falls when we go there, above the average of Jamaicans. Think about it. Not asking for any special privileges, just saying a little incentive would sweeten the pot. $2.9 billion in 2020. Now it's 2022. I don't even want to tell you how much money we sent back. Thanks again for watching Wake Up and Live with Bob. And if you haven't yet done so, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and tell someone about us. Thanks again for watching.